Best tools and software for managing client relationships. When it comes to running a business, managing client relationships is one of the most important things you can do. Happy clients mean more referrals, better reviews, and long-term success. But staying organized while juggling emails, meetings, and project updates isn't always easy. That's where client relationship management, CRM, tools and software come in. Here are some of the best tools to help you stay on top of your client relationships without feeling overwhelmed. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to use them. 1. HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is one of the most popular tools out there, and for good reason. It's free, yes, really, and super easy to use. With HubSpot, you can keep track of your contacts, manage emails, and even schedule follow-ups. It also integrates with other tools you might already use, like Gmail or Outlook. Why it's great: free to use, user-friendly interface, powerful features for email tracking and scheduling. 2. Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is another great option, especially for small businesses. It's affordable and offers a ton of features to help you stay organized. You can use it to track sales, schedule meetings, and even automate repetitive tasks. Why it's great: affordable pricing, customizable features, great for small businesses. 3. Salesforce. If you're running a larger business or need advanced tools, Salesforce might be the way to go. It's one of the most powerful CRMs available. It can handle everything from marketing campaigns to detailed sales reports. While it's not the cheapest option, it's worth it for businesses that need a lot of flexibility. Why it's great: advanced features, scalable for growing businesses, excellent customer support. 4. Trello. Trello isn't technically a CRM, but it's a fantastic tool for organizing projects and tasks. You can create boards for each client, add task cards, and set deadlines. It's especially helpful if you like visuals and want to see your progress at a glance. Why it's great: easy to use, great for visual thinkers, free version available. 5. Slack. Sometimes managing client relationships means staying in touch in real time. Slack is a messaging app that lets you communicate quickly and efficiently. You can create channels for specific topics or projects and share files in seconds. Why it's great: instant communication, easy file sharing, reduces email clutter. 6. Calendly. Scheduling meetings can be a huge hassle, especially when you're dealing with different time zones. Calendly makes it easy for clients to book time with you based on your availability. Just send them your Calendly link and they can pick a time that works for them. Why it's great: saves time, simple to use, integrates with calendars like Google Calendar. 7. MailChimp. If you communicate with your clients through newsletters or updates, MailChimp is a must-have. It's an email marketing tool that helps you create and send professional-looking emails. You can also track who opened your emails and clicked on your links. Why it's great: easy email design tools, great for marketing campaigns, free plan available. How to choose the right tool for you. When picking a tool, think about your needs and budget. If you're just starting out, a free tool like HubSpot or Trello might be perfect. For businesses with more clients or complex needs, investing in Salesforce or Zoho CRM could save you time and headaches down the line. Also, take advantage of free trials. Most of these tools offer a trial period, so you can test them out before committing. Final thoughts. Managing client relationships doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tools, you can stay organized, save time, and build stronger connections with your clients. Whether you're running a small business or just trying to keep things simple, there's a tool out there that's perfect for you.